Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Discord to help you learn how to start a video call on your Android device. Whether you want to catch up with friends or collaborate with teammates, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have the Discord app installed on your Android device. If you haven't already, go ahead and download it from the Google Play Store. Once you've got that ready, open the Discord app. Now that you're in, it's time to find the contact you want to video call. Navigate to your friends list, or you can simply use the search bar to quickly locate the person. Just tap on their name to open the chat window. Once you're in the chat, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a video camera icon. This is your gateway to a video call. Go ahead and tap that video icon. When you do, Discord will initiate the video call, and you'll be connected in no time. Make sure your camera and microphone permissions are enabled so you can enjoy a smooth conversation. And that's it. You're now ready to chat face-to-face with your friends on Discord like a pro. Enjoy your video call, and don't forget to explore other features within Discord to make your experience even better. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up. And for more tips and tricks about Discord and other applications, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and happy calling.